Hello, my mommians. It's your girl, Davida Catherine, coming back to you with another video. My husband and I are renewing our vows next year, May. So I'm getting an early start on some of the decor. I will start putting out a wedding series. I know I have not been here. It's been just a lot going on. So I wanted to come to you today with the table number cards that I am working on. So I'm using my Cricut. I'm in my Cricut design space right now, and I have set out the measurement. So just as a quick way to show you, I hit on shapes, and then I selected square. And then after selecting square, I'll click on one really quick. You're gonna have this up here that you can control the size. So the width is 2 and the height is 3, so it's a 2x3 frame, and I'll show you the frame in a minute. I got it from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has it in gold, and they also have it in silver. I chose gold because I'm doing a full themed wedding. Okay, to get the numbers inside, what you're gonna do is click over here in this corner, and text box is gonna come up, and you want to do this one by one, because if you put it all in one box, you won't be able to separate the cards when it's time to cut. So after, which I'm going to show you here, after you put the size of the number that you want in the box, you're going to click on the number, and up here in this upper left corner, it's going to say line type. So right now the line type is on cut, and I'm simply just going to select draw. And then what you're going to do is you are going to select it all, the whole entire box. And down here in your lower right corner, you're gonna see the words slice, weld, or flatten, and attach. I'm going to hit attach, and it's going to put it all together. And I'm going to do the same thing one more time. Oh no, for the number 10. Just going to place that back. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to select draw. I'm going to highlight, and then I'm going to attach it. Okay, so that's it. I will show you. I'm just gonna save this really quick because I like to save them just in case. So let's just call it save. No, this is table. None. I just want to save it really quick. Make sure you save all your work, because if anything happens, you lose connection or something of that sort, you'll have it in there. You don't want to not save anything. And if you do what I do, which I create invitations and do decor for people for weddings, then it's always good to just have it in place. The size, the number, everything. If you have to add more, you can do that too. Okay, so it's gonna come to this, and I'll be right back, and I will show you how I cut it and what type of paper I'm using. Okay guys, so I am by my Cricut machine. This is the paper that I am using. I think that this paper is beautiful. I got it from Michael's. It was on clearance for 67 cents, guys. 67 cents. Okay, you cannot beat that. You can't. So I'm going to now put this into my machine, and I'm going to start making it. Okay guys, so before I start cutting, I just want to let you know that the Cricut is going to be using the Cricut pen. I am putting it into 8, and your machine should tell you to put it there. I am hoping that you'll be able to see the numbers on this paper, but it'll be test and trial. Okay, so also make sure that you set your machine to the right material. So this is going to be set to cardstock. So now that this is in, I am going to hit the button, the start button. I am going to hit the Cricut button, and it should start any minute. So we can watch the first one. Okay. Can you see the one? Looks good so far. So, all right, I'll be back with the finished product. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. So I do have a black Sharpie paint pen. I just quickly filled this in just so that you guys can see like the way the number came out. I really like the way they came out. It just needs to be a little darker. So I have a black Sharpie paint pen that I'm gonna go over it with, and then I will put it inside like this. So I think that they're going to be beautiful. They're going to fit my fall theme. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will be doing more wedding videos. I did make some save the dates with the same paper. So I am going to show you how I did this on my Cricut. If that is something that you want to see, please, please, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.